July 11, 2022, 12:58 a.m. The overall theme and behavior for the day is going to be a rally that increases with momentum as we move forward in time. There's a important low. When we look back on this chart, we'll see an important low and an important high here. So looks like we want to cash in at a low here, right around the open. There's going to be a low. It's also an opportunity to open up some long positions based on the trade opportunity here. Interesting. Behavior to reach the high is going to be a big move to the upside. Like I said, we're going to want to cash in around the low here. So in the pre-market, we have volatility, increasing in volatility as we move forward through the pre-market. There's an important low highlighted right around the open. There's a decision between, or an agreement between two leaders of nations that's highlighted around the open as well, and an important price level, important resistance level there in that first half hour. This marks a trade opportunity, this price level here, the truce card, to open up those long positions. We move higher it looks like from somewhere around like 10 o'clock, we move higher through resistance. Then we may break back down through that resistance. But then midday, there's a big push higher to reach a distant resistance level. And it looks like the high for the day around noontime. I'm gonna be opening up some short positions and selling those long positions, those calls that I purchased in the morning. I'll be selling those for a day trade somewhere around noontime, maybe closer to 1 o'clock. When we test resistance, and it looks like we're going to break through resistance, but then we turn around and that fails, and we break down through support. We go deeper. In the last hour of trading, we revisit an old problem here in between roughly 2 and 3 o'clock, and then in the last hour of trading, there's opportunity for me to open up long position again, so that I'm positioned with options, with call options and put options to play volatility. When looking at the overview, guys, this is going to be a week of volatility. We have a month's high correlator, and then on Tuesday we have a month's low correlator, and then on Wednesday we have a month's high correlator, and then on Thursday a month's low correlator. So there's going to be a lot of volatility, guys. A lot of volatility. Look out for that big move to the upside and a day trade opportunity here on the 17th. And the sneak preview card for the 18th is going to be a notable decline through support. However, it does look like it's nullified, so we'll have to take a closer look tomorrow. It looks like we've got a gap down on Tuesday morning. All right, guys, that's S&P 500 one-day reading for May 17th, 2022. Hit that like button if you like this, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. That's how you can show your support for us. This stuff is free. What I'm looking to do is get it in front of as many eyes as possible, because people, they pay attention to the stock market, and if you can predict the stock market, then they want to know how you did it, and that's what I'm here to do, guys. Show people that anything is possible. That's how we're going to do it. Predicting the stock market with a 98% accuracy by the hour. I'll see you